Let's learn about farm animals. This is cow. This is sheep. This is goose. This is horse. This is chicken. This is goat. This is pig. This is donkey. This is duck. This is rabbit. Thank you for watching the video.